Hey, what's up, marketers? I wanted to make this quick video. I just saw some breaking news on for this. This is pertaining to people who are doing cold email. And if you're buying email lists from companies, I want you to be aware of what's going on. Right now, Google has done something where they've taken, there was a service called WarmUp, uh, took their API away from being available. And see, just in case you're not familiar with what these companies do, these are where people are doing cold emails, but you can't just like blow out there, buy a million emails and send them out the next day. You can't do that. Right away, the servers would get blocked. They would consider it spam. It's not like the old days. I remember in the 90s, we were able to buy email lists and blow it out there, and it would hit the servers, and then at some point they would shut you down, but it would get moving out there. Now, what they're telling people to do is they go through like a warm up process. It's like you're gonna send some, get some good replies, make sure that your stuff is being open, take the people who don't have all of the bounce backs from the emails you sent out. You're going to clean that out. You're going to make sure even before you send the list that it's as clean as can be. So no spamming issues with a certain individual's email, all of that stuff. Well, what's starting to happen now is that Google and different services, right? For this breaking news, it was with Google's API, but with all the different services that are doing this, they're going to eventually run into this problem, and that's why I always preach that you need to generate your own leads, because when you generate your own leads, you avoid being in this mess. Yes, it's going to cost you more to generate your leads. Yes, you're going to have to learn how to create ads that are getting clicks, that are getting people to go to a landing page, or if you're doing lead ad campaigns on TikTok, or you can do a lead ad campaign on Google. So no matter what platform, you can do some sort of lead ad type campaign to generate your leads. And then when you generate them, if someone was to have an issue with you emailing them your information that they obviously signed up for, you would have their IP address and all of the information, timestamp everything to prove that they opted in on your form. You'll just have like it's like an insurance policy, the way that I look at it. I know that it's very tempting to buy leads. I had done it in the past, but I'm telling you, you will be off to you in a better place if you just learn how to make your own ads, learn how to generate your own leads, because then people are going to be branded to your business. Once they become a lead, you're going to be in control, and when you email out to them, your open rates are going to be a lot better. uh, your sales closing is going to be a lot better. Like a lot of different things are going to be a lot better. So I just wanted to get that breaking news out there. The name of the service was Email Warm Up, and it looks like that they're not going to be able to provide their service at all. Like they're just really totally shut down from the Google API, and everybody in that cold email market believes that this is like some of the worst news, because they think that it's going to be like a domino effect with other companies. So if you want to learn how to make winning ads, you want to learn how to generate leads for your business, there's a link below this video. You can learn about how I can help you do that. Thank you for your time.